Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you some basic fixes to fix your Wi-Fi not connecting problems on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first fix that I would recommend you to do is enter your Wi-Fi either by holding it on a quick panel right here by sliding it down and holding the Wi-Fi, or entering settings. Just pick the way that you like better and just press Wi-Fi. And the first fix would be just disabling Wi-Fi and enabling it back again. And if this doesn't work, press these little three dots, press advanced settings and enter manage networks. Here you will find your network that you have been connected before, and forget it by pressing the delete button after selecting your network and connect again with the password. And if this doesn't work, go to settings again and find general management, and here you would be able to find the reset. So let's tap on that and press reset and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and reset settings, and this should fix most of the problems with the connection. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.